Welcome to Crash Course Big History 2, hosted by Emily Grassley. In this course, we will be expanding on our first Big History series, based on the 2014 Big History curriculum, which aims to contextualize all of existence. Emily Grassley is a science communicator who's affiliated with the Field Museum in Chicago and has her own YouTube channel called The Brain Scoop. So, if we've already covered everything about the universe, why do we need a part 2? Well, it turns out 10 10-minute videos can't actually cover 13.8 billion years of history. These 6 new episodes add even more context to our history, from cosmic evolution to globalization. So why does all this matter? Well, it helps to have context. We start with the Big Bang, the formation of the stars, and the birth of the planets, which helps us learn where we came from in the most extreme sense. Then we follow the journey of carbon, how it ended up on our Earth, and eventually became responsible for the rise of complexity in the modern era. It has to do with coal and fossil fuels. We'll talk about the 6th mass extinction, which is happening now and is kind of driven by humans. Then we'll talk about human evolution, and how our ability to communicate and drive collective learning sets us apart. We'll learn about human ancestry and how and why humans migrated from place to place, and we'll end with early globalization and its continuation. So why does all this matter? Well, we will get into some pretty nuanced conversations about the future of humanity and our planet, but everything we'll talk about also affects our present.